Hey guys, it's Chris from Outbound Terrain. Welcome back to the channel. It's good to see you again. Thanks for coming back. You guys are awesome. Anyways, hey, we got a great thing for you today. I'm going to show you a really cool car. You know we're an outdoor channel. You guys know that. We do mostly outdoor stuff, but anything that's badass on two wheels or four wheels that's cool and we like, we'll throw it out there. The cool stuff though. So this car is cool. It's a 71 MG. British car, 71 MG, completely restored. It's awesome. Wait till you see it. Went for a ride in the countryside with it. Belongs to my good friend Seth, my daughter's boyfriend. Cool dude. So let's take a look at it, man. And thanks for coming to the channel. And next time, bring a friend with you. And subscribe too. Hey, it's a special treat. Check this out. And my daughter's boyfriend, his name's Seth. He's a strapping stud. Look what he brought over, man. It's a 71 MG, completely restored. This thing's sharp, dude. Can you tell us a little bit about it, man?
It's my dad's car that he got back in, I want to say 02.
Yeah.
Had it stripped down to just the frame, and me and my brother recently just got it back up to shape.
Good, man. Classic shit. You don't even see these around anymore. Tell us about the interior, man. That's nice.
Yeah, so these are the classic MGB interior with the Miata seats.
Those are Miata seats?
Yeah.
Those are cool. Nice. Blanket. Oh, yeah. Fuck, dude. I'm just tired. Need some work to this. I need the custom radiator. As the old ones that came with the car in the old days sucked, but you got the good one. Oh, look at this, man. It's carbureted, right? Yeah, it has to be.
Not anymore.
Oh wait,
it's all aftermarket.
They look like two freaking big Makunis on there. I guess it's not cool. This thing is, you can eat off this thing, man. It's a show car.
Yeah.
Fucking nice, dude. Well, let's take it for a ride. What do you think?
Let's do it.
You up for that?
All right.
All right, man. You're driving, right?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, man. Let's go for a spin. Yeah. Nice. Well, are you happy? Just a little bit? You're driving through the farmlands here. That's beautiful. I love the way it sounds, man. Yeah. Ooh. Oh, you got a little wind noise, kids. Nice. Digging it. How many years did you guys spend on restoring this thing?
On the actual work, maybe around, let's see, the work my dad put in, plus my brother and I, plus the shop, maybe a combined, I want to say 3-4 years.
Yeah. That was worth it, man.
Yeah.
Heck yeah. All right, man. See how she handles here. Damn. Nice, bud. Zipping through the country. Guess we're out in the middle of fucking nowhere. That's okay. Can I jump in?
Yeah, go for it.
Right on.
Let's go.
All right, dude. Nice. Some nice pipes on there, man. Sweet. Sounds good, buddy. Did a good job on it. Yeah. Hey, thanks for coming over, Seth. It's fucking awesome, dude.
Yeah.
I love it. Thanks for taking me for a spin out in the countryside. That was awesome. Well, hey, man, you take care. Thanks for stopping by the shop. All right. That thing's sweet, man. Runs like a striped ass ape, too. See you later, buddy. Take care. Hey, hope you enjoyed the video. It was a great time. Thank you, Seth, for taking me along in your awesome car. Love that thing, man. It's a classic. Hold on to it, man. Hey, look forward to the next ride. So you guys take care. This is Chris from Outbound Terrain. I'm going to wrap it up. All of you take care of yourselves. Have a good evening, and see you on the next video, okay?